Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 5. Oops, that was Bear knocking you almost over. Come on, baby, move. There we go. All right, now he's lying down right next to you, so. All right, today's Tuesday, a work day, and I'm running a little bit behind, so I got a boogie. All right, are you gonna settle down? All right, so let's get the advent calendars done. Oh, by the way, the little bottle I got from the Prim calendar yesterday is indeed laundry detergent. So I'm going to give that a try when I do my laundry next. And the tutorial by Andrea from Beyond the Pink Door yesterday was a really fun one. She showed you how to make really fun bracelets using fabric and those really inexpensive like bangles you can get. Anyways, really fun. I might give that a try. But for now, let's see what day 5 has in store. There we go. Alright, so here's day 5. Feels like soap, I think. Oh, I was close. It's a dishwashing bar. Zero waste, pure white laundry bar for hand washing clothes, especially woolen items. Nice. Fabulous. Woo. All right, now our Prim calendar. Where's number 5? There we go. Oh, oh. Metallic thread. Very cute. And it's a Gutermann. Very nice. Yeah, I have some fabric that this is going to be very good for. All right, so like I said, today's a work day. I have some more closet clear out to do a little bit later on when I take a short break. And it's going to be really cold today, so I'm probably not going to want to go anywhere. It's going to be minus 13. There's still a lot of snow on the ground from the mini snowstorm we had over the weekend. So yeah, I'm probably going to stick very close to home today, and yeah, we'll see what I get up to. I'll see you a little bit later. Hi, I am popping on in between meetings really quick because something just came to the door. Now, every year, Yvonne from the Quilting Jet Girl organizes a 9-month long, yeah, it's about 9 months, quilt along for a new pattern she designs. And for her Patreon, and I am one of her Patreons, she provides the pattern for free, and we get all the instructions and everything ahead of everybody else. I have made, I think, every single one of the quilts she's put out so far. I think it's been at least 5 years. Yeah, and I've done all of them. We got the fabric requirements on Friday, so December 1st. And I, debated, what am I going to get? What am I going to get? In the end, I decided to just order fabric. I want an all solids quilt. And if I remember, I'll put a picture of the quilt, the finished quilt, what it should look like. And then I'll show you the fabrics I got because they just got here. I got my fabrics from Mad About Patchwork in Ottawa. And look at the mailer, at the bag, what it says here. How cool is that? Your fabric therapy is delivered. Love it. So let's get this open so I can show you what color or colors I decided to go with. Oh my goodness, they are so nice. Oh, sorry about the noise. So my background color is going to be, which one did I decide to go for? I think I went with black. So basically the thin lines around each star is going to be in black. And then these are the colors I'm going to use for each star. So I've got a very light pink that is called Ballet Slipper. Hopefully you can see that. Then a little bit darker called Baby Pink. And then a little bit darker still called Dragon Fruit. Like, how gorgeous is this fabric? And then Pomegranate. And then the darkest one, and that's going to be the corners in the quilt, is called Twirl. And it's a Ruby Star Society fabric. Look how stunning this is. Oh my goodness. So typically the quilt I end up with as part of the sew along, I usually keep. That ends up being one of my quilts. The 2023 quilt I made, I'm finishing up right now. Actually, I have to do the quilting on it. That's going to be my dad and his wife, their Christmas present. So I really need to get quilting on it. But this one, because of all the pinks, like, oh, look at this. This is going to be mine. I'm, yeah, almost certain this is going to be mine. So I made all of these fabric picks and decisions based on what I wanted, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, I gotta run to my next meeting now. I'll see you in a bit. Hi, I swear this does not happen every day, but I got more fabric. So almost as soon as I stopped filming the last segment, the doorbell rang. And this is a Minerva order I've been waiting for a while. They had an 80% off sale on some cotton poplins, or quilting cottons basically, for their club members. And I needed bag linings for all of the tote bags I'm doing for Christmas. So I took advantage and ordered a bunch and thought I'd show you them real quickly. So this is all cotton poplin. It is all 1 meter cuts. Yeah, 1 meter. And they're gonna go into my tote bag. So the first one is this one here. That cute or what? I love all the colors. So this will go in one bag. Then I have this one here, which I love, this turquoise or aqua color. Then little gnomes. How cute is that? Then we have another aqua color. Some blues. Now this is the same print as that first aqua one, but it's in a navy blue. It's a bit darker in real life. And then another blender. So this is white with the aqua squiggles. And the last one is a gray, yellow, and black print, which is beautiful. So all of these are going to be bag linings for the tote bags I'm working on. So this is amazing because I had put the tote bag making to the side waiting for these to come in, and now I can move forward with all of those bags. So there you go. See you in a bit. Hi, editing Izzy here. So it is a couple hours after dinner and the doorbell rang, and guess what? More fabric. I promise you, this is not typical. I don't get fabric like this every day. This is something, an order I put in on Saturday because I realized I need to make pajama bottoms for Marianne's boyfriend, and I did not have anything thick enough in my stash. I showed you my stash when I did my tour of the sewing room. I really don't have a whole lot of fabric, and I don't have, like, especially knits. So I put in an order. The good news is most of the fabric that's come in the house today is not for me. Well, at least not for garments. I did get some quilting fabric. All right, so let's see. Sorry about the noise. So this is, let me get the tag. This is a bamboo cotton stretch fleece from Core Fabrics. It's heather blue, and it is 300 GSM, so perfect for nice winter pajama bottoms. This is super soft. These are going to be super comfortable for him. I have 2 yards of this, so more than enough to make him his pajama pants, and I'll probably have a little bit left over to color block something. And then I got the organic cotton tencel knit jersey. That's 200 GSMs. I got 3.5 meters of this because I want to make hubby a top, a long sleeve top. This would be perfect for like a lightweight hoodie, like an extra layer. So yeah, so this is either going to be a lightweight hoodie for hubby or a long sleeve tee for hubby. And then I'll have enough to maybe make Marianne a sweater or myself a sweater. I don't hate this fabric on me. So yeah, this is really, really nice. Really nice fabric. So hopefully that's it. Well, I know that's it because it's late in the day now. No more deliveries. We're done. Hello, me again. It is, my chair is rolling. It is the end of my work day, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm exhausted. Very long day. I was planning on doing a closet clear out like I mentioned this morning, but it ain't gonna happen today. So hopefully I'm gonna have the headspace to do that tomorrow. Also, I don't want these videos to get crazy long, so I think we're gonna leave it at that. A couple of things I want to share though before I sign off for the day. I did get a little bit of sewing yesterday and managed to almost finish a new long sleeve tee for hubby. It's this beautiful navy bamboo jersey I got from, I want to say Beyond the Pink Door last year. It is so soft, but oh my goodness, was it a challenge to sew with. All that is left now is to hem the sleeves and the bottom of the shirt, and I want to put some kind of decal on it with my Cricut with heat transfer vinyl. So hopefully I'm going to be able to get that done today, and then that's going to be ready to get wrapped up for Christmas. The other thing I wanted to show you, and I have to thank Adam from Adam Sews, because he opened his today and had the thought of actually taking this bar of laundry detergent out of its packaging to notice that it says Beyond the Pink Door. Can you see that? Like, how cool is that? That's amazing. So yeah, I didn't even take it out of the bag this morning, so didn't even notice. And then when I saw Adam's video, I'm like, oh, how cool. All right, so I'm going to leave it here for today because already I think this is going to be a long-ish video. I'm exhausted. And although the videos with this new camera are crystal clear and I'm in love, downloading from the camera onto my computer is taking literally hours. So I ordered a couple of things to try from Amazon, like something I can use the memory card, like take it out of the camera and then use this to download it. I bought a couple different ones just to see which one would work. I'm desperate because literally yesterday I think it took, or the day before, it took all day to download the files from the day before. It's not normal. So yes, so enough rambling. I'm going to leave you right now and I will see you tomorrow.